Do you want to play 5.1 music in VLC Media Player? First, double-click the VLC icon to launch the application. Once it opens, you will see the main interface. Now, we will set up 5.1 surround sound step by step. First, make sure your speakers are properly connected. You should have a full 5.1 speaker system ready. Now, go to your system sound settings. Open the sound settings from your taskbar. Select your connected speaker device. Click on the Configure option to adjust setup. Choose the 5.1 surround option from the list. Follow the setup steps and confirm your selection. Use the test feature to check each speaker. Make sure all speakers are working correctly. Now close the sound settings window. Open VLC Media Player again. Click on the Media menu at the top. Select Open File to choose your media. Pick a file that supports 5.1 audio. Load the file into VLC Player. Now go to the Audio menu in VLC. Open the Audio Device Settings. Select your 5.1 speaker output device. This ensures sound goes to all speakers. Next, open Audio Effects in VLC. Enable Surround or Spatializer settings. Adjust settings based on your preference. Save the changes and close the window. Now play your audio or video again. You should hear sound from all speakers. Enjoy the full surround sound experience. Your VLC is now set for 5.1 audio. This makes movies and music more immersive. And that's how you play 5.1 music in VLC Media Player.